Hello YouTube, what's up YouTube? How you all doing? Osazmusic here. Welcome to another exciting musical lesson with me. Another one. Today's going to be another interesting one. So today we'll be looking into some R&B chords. So we'll be making the song breakdown of "Boot Up" by Ella Mai. Will be in the key of D flat, also the B flat minor chord. So we'll be in the key of D flat. Basically, that's the root center, the key center. So as usual, we establish our key center. We'll go through the scale of the key of C sharp. So we have the C sharp for the 1, we have the E flat for the 2, we have the F sharp for the 3, we have the F sharp for the 4. So we have the F for the 3, the F sharp for the 4, we have the A flat for the 5, we have the B flat for the 6, we have the C for the 7, and we have back to the C sharp. So we have, so that's our key center. So today is going to be an interesting one. We'll be looking into the song "Boot Up" by Ella Mai, the key of D flat, also the B flat minor chord. So as usual, welcome to Osazmusic channel, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment. It really means a lot to me. So today we'll be looking at some R&B chords, and good thing about R&B chords is that they just keep looping all over, unlike the gospel piano tutorials we normally have that have a lot of bunch of chords, though they are also related. They are all chord structures are also used in a lot of various type of music. So but when it comes to the R&B chords, there are specific rules. Number, will I say rules? No, they're just chord structures that goes on a loop over and over and over. That what makes the song sound interesting and nice. So basically most of them are made up of the major 7 chords. So without much being said, let's dive into the breakdown. So the song begins from the key, it starts from the key of B flat minor. So that's the start from the 6. So what we have there, so it starts like this. You saw what I played at the introductory of this video. So basically that's the whole intro of the song. So it goes, have this. So this is just the loop all through the whole entire song itself. The whole song itself is just the loop. So that's what we have. So as usual, I love you guys. I always give you bonus to like spice up your play, be it gospel, be it R&B. I'm here for you guys all. So the first chord progression for this song started with this nice E B flat minor 11 chord. From the top to the bottom, on right hand we have the F, we have the C, and we have the A flat. While for our left hand we have the F and the B flat. So this is what we have first, the first chord. Then the next chord we have is this. For our right hand, from the top to the bottom, we have the C, A flat, F, this F minor chord over the B flat. So that's what we still have. This to the 1. So we have, this is the 1. So what we have is the D flat major chord, the C sharp major chord, first inversion, which we have from the top to the bottom. On our right hand we have the C sharp, the A flat, and the F. While for our left hand we have the, you can simply play C sharp octave. So everything goes this way. We have, this is the next chord. We have an F sharp major 7 chord. So what we have here from our right hand, from the top to the bottom, we have the C sharp, we have the B flat, and we have the F. While for our left hand we have the C sharp and the F sharp. But the trick I do, always slow from the E flat to the C sharp. So you see that gives it another feel. So what we have is, that's it that we have. Then the next you have this C7 sharp 11 chord. So you see, basically these are also gospel chords. Like I said, they are all used in all genres of music. So what we have here For our right hand from the top to the bottom, we have the F sharp, we have the E flat, and the B flat. While for our left hand, we have the E and the C. As for the C7 13 chord, sharp 11 chord. Then after this, then we have this. This is the next chord. For our right hand from the top to the bottom, there are several ways you can play. You can play this. But I think this is what I heard from the record. So what we have here, we have from the top to the bottom, we have the E flat, we have the F, we have the C sharp, and the E. So while for our left hand, we have the C F7 chord, the E flat, and the F. Then back to the 6, the B flat minor 11. You can always play it either this way, or you can play it this way also, that I love playing. For our right hand, we have the F, the C sharp, the C, and the E flat. So you see that. So basically, but the intro itself started with this. Basically, I've spelled out all the whole loop, the chord structure for the song itself, but the intro started this way. What we have next is, which I already taught you. Then we have this another. I heard this also inside the song they did. So the first time we played this, but this time around we are leaving out the A flat. So what we have is the F, the C sharp, the A. Then for our left hand we have the E flat and the F. So then back to this B flat minor 11 chord that I already spelled out. So what we have is this. This is what we have. Can hear that in the record. This B flat is being hit twice. Then we have. Then they did this. So in the record they did that also. So what we have, we just have there. The next part is this. F sharp is the bass line from the left hand. Plays F sharp, F, E flat, C sharp to the C to land on this chord, which I already spelled out. The C7 sharp 11 chord, which we have the F sharp, the E flat, the B flat, the E, and the C. Then back to this chord. I already spelled out all this chord. So everything goes. We have. So we have. So you see that. So that's it. Basically, that's the whole song, because all this chord progression goes on the loop. The chord progressions goes on the loop. You see that? So there's, I love you guys as always. I'll give you this bonus. You saw me play it at the introductory of this video, so I'll actually play it. So I can have and normally this is what we have. So the chord progression itself goes this is what we have. Then we have this is what they normally play. So this is what okay, let me play from what I want to teach you, what I want to give you the bonus. So after this so this is the next part. You can do this, you can reharmonize instead of playing you can reharmonize it and make it sound this way. You see that? These are R&B chords, cool ones. So you see, we go. And you can do this. See, I know you love that. So let me give it to you. So that's the bonus chord for this lesson. Bonus R&B chord. So we got that. So what I have there is this same chord. Normally I was playing the C7 dominant sharp 11 chord dominant chord, but I substituted the bass for the flat 5. So you can check out my chord tutorial also on playing chord progression using circle of fifth, and also chord progression using circle of fifth, and the part 1 and the part 2. You can check it out. And my flat 5, the flat 5 736 chord progression is there, so you understand the idea behind this. I'll add all the link to the description, and you can also check the screen. You'll see a link to that also. So everything goes okay. What I have there, I did this. So instead of playing the 7, I substituted the 7, the 5 of the 5 for the. Let me just teach you the chord. No need for the explanation. You can check out my video to understand better. So what I have here is this. So these are R&B chords. So what we have first, we have the F sharp, the E flat, the F sharp, the E flat, the B flat. That's for our right, and for our left hand we have the E and the G. Then the next chord we have is this. I've already taught you this already. The E flat, the F, the C sharp, the E, over the F7, E flat, F. Then we have this chord. So what we have here is just an extension. So what we have here for right hand, we have the C, the A flat, the E flat, and the C. Then for our left hand, playing the C sharp, the F, and the B flat. You can just play this one. So we can do. So you see, these are all R&B chords. So instead of you can play this way, you can play this. So that's it. Any alternative you want. Then the next chord I had was this F minor 11 chord. Sounds so dark and beautiful. So this is the next chord. What we have here, from the top to the bottom, alright, and we have the E flat, the C, the A flat, and the G. While for our left hand we have the F, C, F. So everything sounds like this. The normal way we have this is the normal way we have. This is the normal way we have. Then my own way now is it. We have. That's the first way. You can have it again. These are all R&B chords. That's it. So basically, that's the whole song itself. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. That's the whole song. That's the whole song breakdown. Both the bonus chord I wanted to give to you guys on this song to, I always give you an alternative way of playing song. You don't have to sound the same way playing it all over again. So I'm always giving you bonus to spice up, to bring your game to the A level, to spice up your play. So those are the chord structure. These are cool R&B chords. I'm sure you guys all love it, and as usual, Osazmusic, I'm so pleased to be here to be your instructor. So Osazmusic here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, subscribe, turn on your notification button to get updates from this channel. Like, share, comment, drop your comments, drop your song suggestion. I'm always here to like I'm always here for you guys, or I'm always here to make you, give you that beautiful things you want to hear on record songs. So as usual, Osazmusic, thank you so much for being a blessing to me. You guys are so much. You guys are the best. I love you guys, and I'm always here for you. Thank you so much. God bless your chest.